Hey guys, my name is Mary Wick, and I'm currently in my first year of dental school at Nova Southeastern University in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. I was born and raised here in Miami, where I attended the University of Miami and earned my Master's of Public Health degree. Prior to entering dental school, I spent the last 3 years working alongside an amazing nonprofit organization. This organization utilized a mobile dental bus and pretty much went all throughout Miami-Dade, even down to the Keys, delivering free dental care. Since joining this organization, I was exposed to the oral health crisis that my hometown, South Florida community, is facing. The oral health crisis is the lack of access to proper dental care. As a public health advocate, this motivated me to take the role as the community outreach coordinator. This role allowed me to pretty much gather a team of volunteers, of dentists, of hygienists, pre-health students, dental assistants, all to come together to do one thing: serve the community. 2 Saturdays out of the month, we would gather in different parts of South Florida, either as far as Broward County, Miami-Dade, Monroe County, and we would spend a whole day just doing good to the community. May it be providing cleanings, extractions, restorations, comp exam, oral health instructions. That's what we did for that community, for my hometown. One of the greatest joys ever was joining this organization. And I know whatever I learned from that time I was with those team, what I learned from the dentist, I'm going to use as a future dental care provider. As I was applying to dental school during this time, I was stressed out. And honestly, I hadn't heard back from anybody. And then come 2020, I was still waiting. I didn't know what the future had for me, but I knew one thing was for certain. I had a home in this organization. I was giving back to the community that raised me. Then COVID happened, and the new normal wasn't the normal. And our organization had to help the emergency rooms, because you had patients going to the ERs for dental pain, and they're putting themselves at risk to get exposed to COVID. So our organization, my team, we set ourselves up as the emergency referral division. Basically, anyone that was coming into ER during that first couple months of the virus, the pandemic, they were sent to us. And so we could address their referral needs, and they wouldn't be exposed to other cases of COVID. As I was stressing, I didn't know what my future had for me. I hadn't heard back from any of the schools, but I was losing myself in serving the underserved. And that's when it hit me. This is what I want to do as a future dental care provider. And come July, I'm set. I'm going to continue doing my work with this organization because this is what I want to do in the future. I get a call from Dr. Gaka of Nova, and she says this to me: "So, are you still interested in joining the class of 2024? It was the best day of my life." Fast forward to today, and here I am, a full-time dental student. 8 to 5 Zoom classes. Yes, I don't get to see my classmates as much as I want to, but they're supporting me and I'm supporting them. And I get to carry out my dream of being able to go to a dental school, to become a dentist that will break the barriers in public health dentistry, in a sense, to increase access to care. That's what I want to do. And that's my dream. And I know through the help of Nova, with my classmates, and this new ICON grant, I can achieve that grant. I can achieve that dream. I can achieve that dream of breaking the barriers in public health dentistry to increase access to care, so that places like my hometown aren't without care. And that's why I'm submitting this applicant for your News ICON grant. Once again, my name is Mary Wick, and I hope you consider me as an applicant. Thank you.